class, and welcome to the wonderful week 14 of ECS 116. We are coming down to the very end of our course. So in week 14, we're going to finish up module 7, which is multicultural anti-bias education and applications for the classroom. So over the course of week 14, let's go ahead and take a peek. I'm asking for you to read part 4 of the Family Partnership and Culture in ECE. It's a newer text from the California Department of Education, and I want you to combine that with reading chapter 2 of the preschool curriculum frameworks, and this is really going to assist you with your assignment about writing some lesson plan cards for me. So you're going to review both lectures. I have 2 lectures in the module this week on diversity and curriculum, and then there's another one called social studies. So I have a really cool video for you to watch about Ron Clark. And if you haven't heard about Ron Clark, he has the Ron Clark Academy, and he really works on having children enjoy coming to school, and he really connects with them based on their community and their society and getting them really involved. And then we have our small diversity group. So we're going to be looking at using the diversity lens with curriculum. So you want to post by Wednesday. So I'm changing this to a Wednesday this week because of the holiday. So post by Wednesday, November 22nd, and then log back in and respond to all group members by Sunday, November 28th. So I'm also hoping for those of you that have things going on Thursday through Sunday, even though it is an online class and we do hold class for the whole week, that you could theoretically post and respond to at least 2 classmates by Wednesday at midnight. That way you could have the rest of the week off, so to speak. So the lesson plan card assignment is not due this week. I usually have it due, but because of the holiday, I've moved it to December 3rd. So let's go ahead and check out the Family Partnership PDF. It's going to take a few seconds here. I might pause the video. Let's see. Yes, that took quite a long time. It's 130 pages. But this is a publication from the California Department of Ed. And we're looking really specifically at, I'm scrolling in here, implications of experiences for teaching and learning, curriculum frameworks with social is going to connect with our other framework document that I spoke about. So you're going to want to check that out. And then here's the preschool curriculum frameworks, which is different than what's mentioned, or in addition to what's mentioned in the last text. I might have to pause this too. So here's the California Preschool Curriculum Framework. And know that there's 3 volumes of the framework, and framework 3 is about history and social science as well as science. So I just want to take a quick peek in here. You can see here that history and social science is under the red area. It's a bear. That's its theme. And we're looking in particular at self and society and these areas, and becoming a preschool community member in these areas. So when you're writing your lesson plan cards, I'm wanting you to focus in on, I believe it's 4. So you could pick any 4 of these. So we're not going to get over here into science and these other areas. We're really looking specifically at the areas that affect diversity and culture. So the next thing we have in our module is the social studies workshop. You can download this or you can view it. So just really quickly going through where it defines social studies and early childhood education. Many of us don't even think about preschoolers doing social studies, and that's why I think the framework is a really important document, because it is about learning about themselves and their families and their community and society, and becoming a member of a democratic society is part of being a preschooler, doing things like voting in the classroom, etc. So I think you're going to really enjoy and be enlightened by the PowerPoint. So we also have the diversity workshop PowerPoint. So this talks about being aware and how it's vital, how to support professionals in that, and how to apply it to the curriculum. Here's our video on Ron Clark. And then here's your entrance point to the small diversity group. And last thing is you can go ahead and start working on those lesson plan cards. So here's an instructional video specific to those. Noted as a 12/3 due date. So if we do exceed this particular module, you will have to go back from the last module, module 8, back into this one, number 7, to go ahead and submit that assignment. Okay, so I hope you all have some time this week to enjoy family, friends, and neighbors, and I look forward to touching base with you for week 15 next week. Talk to you soon.